one advice is the path of your life choices. Palitin mo lang. Na-overwhelm ka lang doon sa mga choices mo lang. You just try dito kasi naboboring ka. You just try these things. You just try this. And ang kailangan mo lang naman kasi is
Confused na rin talaga.
confused ka lang naman talaga actually. Main paths lang. Two paths lang ang o two life choices lang ang pipiliin mo doon.
Oo.
Huwag mo muna isipin yung mga iba. In the future, magagawa mo din naman yan.
Pag hindi namatay.
Oo, siyempre, hindi ka mamatay. Siyempre, huwag ka muna maging kwento.
It's been 3 hours. Ang dami nating kwentuhan, revelations. I don't know if it helps my mental health.
I think yes. At least through a podcast with me for many times where you've been relapsing this past few
Oo,
weeks.
laban muna, tapos relapse ulit. I've been there before eh.
Parang ba't
Neutral or malungkot or tapos seryoso, ganun. Pero once na biglang masayang-masaya ako, kausapin mo talaga ako. Alam mo kung bakit?
okay.
Ano, dumadaan sa ganun yung tao. Yung parang sobrang lungkot tapos walang transition.
Oo.
Tapos biglang ang
Sad.
saya. Kausapin mo talaga. Kasi may tendency na parang
Parang tend to be suicidal.